So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your YouTube channel rank worldwide. You can compare it with all the YouTube channels available worldwide, and you can rank them over the worldwide YouTube channel. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser app, and here you have to search for Social Blade. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and open the first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it, here it says search for your favorite YouTube channel. All you need to do is to just simply paste your YouTube channel link or search for your YouTube channel name. Let's for an example open this Mr. Beast YouTube channel for the sake of example. Once you do that, once you paste your YouTube channel username or name, it will open something like this. When you scroll down here, you can see the rank available for you in the subscribers terms, in the views terms, and in some particular genre or area. You can check the rank of your YouTube channel from here. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.